Hey, good evening, traders. This is Piyush Gupta from Price Action Chart. Once again, I welcome you to another post trade analysis video about Quest, which was one of our live trade. And by God grace, once again, we achieved a very bumper move of I think more than 8%, 10%. So we will discuss about few uh, factors which helped me pick this stock today, and also one trick which I have only shared in my course till now. That is why we stayed in this stock even though it bored us to death for I think more than 4 or 5 hours. So let's start with the analysis. So like usual, this was given at 952 to buy above 810 when stock was trading around 797. So the factors which helped me derive the stock was first, once again, a simple trend line. If you draw from this peak using that swing high in between, so if you use this particular trend line properly, you will find that 802 is a breakout level for this stock. And just to be on a safer side, I picked 810. Now if we go to weekly, you will also find that the same level is also being respected in past. Let me turn off magnet. Then yeah, if I draw this zone, see this is a zone which has been respected back since August 2017. It acted as a beautiful support here. It acted as resistance in November 18. It acted as resistance in March 19. Then it acted as resistance and February 21. So definitely this is a very very good breakout, not just for from intraday perspective but also from positional perspective. But it was a intraday trade for us. So now coming back to smaller time frame. So when I gave this trade in the morning, if you check around 952 it was trading here. It was slowly consolidating, and I gave you a warning. It need to pick up volume, because the volume during the initial 30 minute or 45 minute, it was not impressive at all. So if the breakout has to sustain, it has to generate volume. Now coming to the trick part, it gave us a breakout of our level at 1151. It made an high of 819 and it retraced back, right? So now what will happen is, most of the time new traders, they will panic. They will say, yeah, this is not generating volume, this is not generating good candles. Let's book whatever profit we are getting and get out of the trade. So we buy was 810. It made high of 820 maximum, just 1%, and then it started retracing, and obviously everyone would panic. But the stop loss for this trade was small. Now what happened is, if you look the stock in any smaller time frame, be it 3 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 15 minute, you will see it retraced back and it respected our trend line, which I have drawn on daily time frame. And it stayed there for quite a while. It tried to bounce back, then again fall back. It tried again fall back. So now, in such a scenario, what is the trick here? So whenever a stock gives breakout from any level, and then it spends time on top of that particular level. So let me bring the brush. Sorry guys, I forgot where is the brush. Yeah. So basically what we are trying to identify is, if stocks give breakout, let's say this is my trend line. If stocks give breakout from the trend line, it comes back, it respect our trend line, which was previously acting as resistance. Now it consolidates slowly on top of that trend line. Then it is, majority of cases, this is a bullish sign. It will work, I would say safely, 7 or 8 out of 10 times, and we have got many good trade because of this concept. If stocks give breakout, respect our trend line as support, and it consolidate over it, then it is building up momentum. That is why I stayed with my entire quantity in it for the entire day, although it blocked the fund. But market was again very boring for the entire day, except for the last 1.5 hour. And soon enough, it gave us a very bullish candle here, and then it scaled to an high of 887. Again, I booked out full position around 867, although the targets for this is good. And I will also draw in Fibonacci, my favorite Fibonacci. I'm going back to daily time frame. Let me go to weekly time frame. Yeah. So if I go to weekly time frame and if I draw Fibonacci here and use this as swing high, so you see how perfectly it respected this 61% level, right? And it is bouncing back. So uh, definitely target still 960. I'm not asking directly till 987, although it can touch, but let's be little safe, since this zone is also a resistance zone, this zone somewhere here. So it can definitely reach up to 950, if not tomorrow, maybe in coming days. It like all the stocks, it might consolidate few days here and then it might go another push. So I hope, guys, this video, this effort that we do is helpful. You guys have earned from it and you guys have learned from the video. If so, please do like or comment. Once again, I'm just reiterating the trick of staying in the trade was, post the breakout, stock consolidated over the trend line, which was previously the resistance. Now it acted as support. As simple as that. Thank you, guys. Once again, sorry for the long video. Good day. Keep safe.